In the end, the cake should look like this. Now we'll take it to finish baking. Ooh, hot! For this beautiful traditional cake, we first prepare the base. Measure out 200 grams of soft flour. Add 5 grams of baking powder. Now we sift it all. Here we'll grate the zest of 1 lemon. Then add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it all together. Next, add 80 grams of melted butter, 4 egg yolks, and 100 milliliters of milk. Mix everything well and the dough for the base is ready. The oven is preheating to 180 degrees. Next, we'll take a round baking pan, 24 to 26 centimeters. We'll line it with baking paper. This is the easiest way to cut it in a circle. Estimate the center roughly. Now we're placing the base mixture. While doing this, the oven is heating to 200 degrees. Did I already said that? Maybe I did. If I didn't, and even if I did, it's worth repeating. Before turning on the oven to preheat, raise the rack slightly above the middle, because now we're taking this base to pre-bake. Spread the dough a bit more to the edges, so the middle doesn't rise. We're taking it to bake. Once the base is in the oven, we have 10 to 12 minutes to do 2 things. 400 grams of apricot jam mixed with 100 grams of ground walnuts. Soften the jam as much as possible. If it's homemade, this will be simple. If store-bought, warm it in the microwave, or keep the jar in hot water to soften it. The second part is to whip the egg whites. 4 egg whites, whipped while gradually adding 6 to 7 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Then pour in the juice of half a lemon and continue whipping. When whipped, the meringue should look like this. Whipping time is 5 to 6 minutes. It should be shiny like this. I took the base out of the oven. It baked for exactly 10 minutes. Open the oven slightly to cool. Lower the rack. Below the middle. Close the oven, then leave it to heat to 140 degrees Celsius. Spread the whole filling of jam and walnuts. Now distribute it evenly. Next, we'll add the meringue. Place small dollops all over so the jam doesn't lift. Now gently spread it all around. Make little waves like this. Then sprinkle everything with ground walnuts. By the time we finish this, the oven should have cooled. In the end, the cake should look like this. The cake is baked. It baked for another 35 minutes. Let it cool, but you can also serve it warm.